Welcome back. Property Pulse gives us insight from top real estate experts in Bakersfield, and it takes you inside some of the hottest properties on the market. Back with us today, we have the award-winning Gordon Team Realty. You know him, you love him. It's William Gordon. Hey, William.
Hey, Kate.
Great to have you back.
Great to be here. We've got 3 brand new listings, hot off the presses for all of you guys out there today.
I love a new one.
Yeah. So we have this amazing property on Pam's Way. This one is really a showstopper. It has an entire detached ADU, guest house, mother-in-law quarters. There's 2 homes on this one lot.
Oh, I love that.
So we're looking at 5 beds, 3 baths in almost 3,200 square feet of living space. Gorgeous flooring, brand new, amazing amenities throughout the house. Great den up in the front there. This primary suite is luxury.
Ooh.
It's really, really nice. You also have the most spectacular backyard pool oasis. Just over the top, you have a 60-foot RV parking space.
Wow.
Look at that pool and spa combo. Doesn't it just make you want to like lay out?
That's perfect for summertime.
All day long. We have a solar system, a really great solar system. This is the guest house. Look at this place.
Wow.
Yeah. This is a full-blown, cute little home right in the back corner of the property with a full bath. What do you think we're listed for there?
$900,000.
We are at $845,
and it's a twofer?
It's a twofer. You're getting 2 homes for the price of one. It's great if you have, you know, mom living with you. Here we are at Booth Bay Harbor in also in Northwest Bakersfield. This property is perfect. It's got a good size of square footage. We're at 3 bed, 2 bath. You know, it's a great property that you could do a little bit of updating to, but it's super clean, ready to go, ready for new owners. As you can see, it is empty and
it's just ready to go.
It's ready to go.
Are those real wood floors? They look like real wood floors.
Those are most likely laminate floors.
They look nice though. They look very high end.
They're a really nice rich color. You've got those custom blinds. And the neighborhood is a good one. It's in 93314, so west of Allen, out there in Rosedale.
Good backyard.
Gorgeous backyard, fruit trees, really nicely landscaped. Huge RV parking and backyard patio. What do you think we're listed for there?
$500,000.
We're at $470.
Ooh, even better.
And again, you know, a good value for the size. Here we are at Buckhorn Peak, nearly 2,000 square feet of living space in the Southwest, 3 bed, 2 bath on a really nice sized lot and a little bit newer than say a Booth Bay. This is a really nice property. Breakfast nook there. We've done some paint touch up, nice lighting. You've got some window treatments and really the carpet's in good shape. It's just been cleaned. This property is ready for new owners. It's a great area of town in the Southwest Bakersfield off Panama with all of that new construction going in. You've got the new Target, I believe, going in down there. So convenience, schools, everything you could want. Huge covered patio. That aluminum wood covered patio will last you forever. Really nice. And you have lots of fruit trees and the grass is still filling in from the above ground pool, but it's
that'll fill in
it's
fast.
ready to go. It looks like everybody else's lawn in summer, doesn't it? Here in
It really
Bakersfield?
does.
Yeah.
I'm going to double down on my $500,000.
We're right there at 440. So
Okay.
2 great values just above 4. Very affordable options for most people out there.
Yeah. So are you seeing a lot more houses come on? I know summertime is a big moving time, but I thought we saw it more at the beginning, but you know, we're getting a lot of new listings towards this end of summer.
Well, you know, you have a surge in activity with people listing their homes in spring and then buyers coming out as soon as the kids are out of school so that they're not disrupting their finals, their school schedule, and not distracting their kids about, oh, are we moving?
Yeah.
You know, it's a secret, right? You've been dwelling on it for 2-3 years going, we're moving, and then finally pull the trigger. So you see that initial surge in activity. Those people who are on the market at that time get to benefit from it. But the inventory tends to grow towards the end of the summer because, and that's what's happening right now. And buyers are out there scooping up these properties that fit their needs. And then you see a little bit of a lull coming into the end of summer. People are done doing their summer chores. Now they're doing their summer vacations. So it's summer travel season right now. People are going, we haven't taken a vacation. We've got to get out of here, or this has been long planned. So now Now we'll see a bit of a consolidation, I think, before we jump into fall. And then those homes that haven't sold during the summer will typically reduce into the fall their price to try to attract a buyer if they are committed to selling this year. And they're going to see new homes coming on the market competing with them for that same amount of buyers.
Yeah.
And so it's always dynamic. The real estate market is never static, but you can have a particular listing that is stale.
Sure.
And may have been mispriced, but you can always adjust. May need another boost in buyer activity, just like we might see if a interest rate reduction comes through.
And that's why we need an expert like yourself. So how do they get a hold of you, William?
We'll help you navigate, show you some homes, help you sell yours. Give me a call at 444-1111.
Perfect. All right, what do we got next week?
Next week, we've got something really special for you.
I'm excited.
A beautiful big home in Northwest Bakersfield.
Thanks, William. Yeah. All right, we'll see you next time. We'll be back. More Studio 17 right after this.